Hello,
Hello,
I am King Mahabali.
I am King Mahabali.
He said
He said
with a
with a
kind
kind
smile.
smile.
Every year
Every year
during Onam,
during Onam,
I come
I come
back
back
to see my
to see my
people.
people.
May I
May I
please
please
rest here,
rest,
rest here
rest here
for a while?
for
Question mark.
customer.
Amu nodded,
Amu noted,
surprised.
surprised.
Thank you, Amu,
Thank you, Amu,
said the king.
said the king.
Let me tell you
Let me tell you
a story.
a story.
Long ago,
Long ago,
I was the
I watched the
king
king
here.
here.
My people
My people
loved me,
loved me,
but I
but I
became proud.
became proud.
So Lord
So Lord
Vishnu
Vishnu
came to teach
came to teach
me a lesson.
me a lesson.
He
He
came as
came as
a small man
a small man
named
named
Bhamana.
Bhavana.
Bhamana
Bhavana
asked me
asked me
to give him
to give him
some land.
some land.
He said
He said
that
that
he would
he who
measure
measured
the land
the land
he needed
he needed
by
by
taking
taking
the three steps.
three steps.
Three
Three
steps.
steps.
Only three steps.
Only three steps.
Amu asked,
Amu was
confused.
confused.
Yes,
Yes,
said the king.
said the king.
I thought
I thought
a
a
small man
small man
like him
like him
would not
would not
need much
need much
land,
land.
so I
So I
agreed.
agreed.